Hi and welcome back to Rush's Eco Creations. Today I had this couple of buttons which were left out from the old dresses and I didn't know what to do. So I thought let us be a little creative and try to do something very unique. So I thought let's make a keychain. How do you do it? All that you need is, this is called the pipe cleaner. You just need 2 pieces of pipe cleaners which would be available anywhere in the stationery shops. Okay, you need one old key ring, okay, and you need one round pearl, okay, a round button, and a couple of buttons, 8 to 10 buttons. All what you have to do is take the pipe cleaner and put it through the ring. First step, always put the ring first, then you put one button which is a bit smaller than the other buttons, so, and then you pass it through like this. Then the next is the pearl. When you're putting the pearl, you have to put both together. Always you have to put both together. Then start putting in all the buttons. Start putting in all the buttons. You can use 10 to 12 buttons maximum, not more than that, because then if not you will not be able to see the legs of the button body. And keep putting it like this and like this continuously till it gets over. It's very handy. It can be used in your keys, it can be used in your purses. You need not buy something from outside. You can always make it at home with the material which you have already at home. The buttons are from all your old dresses. You can collect the buttons and keep them, and you can create a lot of different kinds of things. Inshallah, in my next future videos I shall show you much more. So it starts looking like this. Okay, continue doing that. 12, you can put around 10 to 12 buttons. It goes easily, it doesn't have any problem because it's nice. These pipes are very soft and it passes through very easy. They are meant for craft. Mainly they are meant for craft only. So you can use it very easily. And then here is your button body. Okay, we are still not yet done with it because you still have to put the hands. Make sure that you press it properly so that they are all in. And you can make it use different color buttons. See, then you have to push the 3 down. Just keep a little space where 3 is and add a small piece of bathroom pipe here. Okay, and you can change the shape of the hands the way you want, as dancing, any shapes. Okay, if you want you can even put the hair with the wool, or you can use a tassel to put the hair. Okay, and take the marker and make the eyes, nose and the mouth. And here your buttons are ready. Just push it over so that you don't see the separation between the button buddies. So here we are ready with the little bit of button buddies. Okay, they are different kinds which I have made. As I told you, you can even use the wool. Okay, colorful pipes you get, all different. With whatever material you have you can use, because it doesn't have any particular color. You can use any number of buttons and colors. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments so that I can come up with more innovative ideas for you. Thank you. Looking forward for your comments.